Okay, if you've been watching my last couple of videos, you know that tomorrow I'm going to start telling you how to go from launch to profit in 7 days doing online digital marketing. This is going to be like a recipe. So you know through every recipe that you do, that you bake, you have a prep time. You have to prep for it. And so what I want to do is I want to tell you what you need to do to prep to follow these 7-day steps, right? So I'm going to break it up into 2 videos so that it's not super long. So make sure you save this one and follow me so that you can find the other ones. For starters, you need a high demand digital product. This can be an ebook, this can be a course, or it can be like a program like mine. So my programs are in high demand, and I know that because these exact programs, actually one of the 4 programs that I promote has already generated over $5 million in less than 2 months. That right there tells you it's in high demand. People are wanting it. So make sure you have something that people are wanting so that when you follow these steps, people are going to be interested in what you are promoting. From there, you need to have an automation system. This is our Freedom Machine, and I kind of want to go over it with you for a little bit. So when you start with the programs with mine, you get this automation system for free. You get this Freedom Machine that's going to work for you for free. And so the first step of the automation system is a squeeze page. This squeeze page is going to be what you lead your potential customers to, okay? From there, they're going to put their email in, and they're going to get taken to a thank you page. This thank you page is going to give them more information about what you are offering. For me, they also get access to the free community that we have so they can see results that people are having. And they also can learn more and get started right away if they're interested, right? So that's what my thank you page involves. So you need an automation system where they're able to, 1, go get more information, 2, put their email in so that they can then be put into your funnel system, your email automations, because this is how you build that know, like, and trust with your potential customers so that they will become customers. From that thank you page, if they don't get started, it's a-okay because they're now in my email automations. So they're going to start getting emails from me. So the first email that goes out from me is going to be an explanation about everything in online digital marketing. It tells them a little bit about my story, and it lets them know what digital marketing is. How can you do it? What success have I had? So that's the first email that they get from me. From there, they're going to start getting all these emails from me every day, right? For the next week or 2, okay? And that's going to let them learn more about digital marketing and build that know, like, and trust with me, okay? And way this automation system works is 1 out of 20 people buy. So you are going to want to create this content, follow the steps that I'm telling you for the next 7 days, and get 20 people a day to come to your automation system to where they will then be taken on the journey. This is your Freedom Machine, remember? 1 out of 20 people buy. So if you have 1 out of 20 people buy and your highest product, for example, mine's 900, if 1 out of 20 people buy that 900, guess what? That's $900 a day. So 20 a day equals 900 a day. Right? So this is what you're going to need. You need a high demand digital product, and you're going to need an automation system that's going to take your potential customers on a journey while they're learning more about the program, the course, the ebook, and you.